Hey y'all, today I'll be showing you how I installed these 36-inch soft locks using 36-inch faux locks from ZRQ Hair, an Amazon hair company. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, so let's just jump right into the video. I got these 36-inch crochet faux locks from ZRQ Hair. This is their 36-inch new faux locks crochet braids hair, 3 packs, pre-loop goddess locks, crochet dreadlock extensions, curly soft locks braiding hair for women, 21 strands, African roots synthetic hair extend. And for an order of 3 packs is $59.98. And the extra pack I got is $20.99. I got a total of 4 packs. When I got my package, it came in this bag and it had the packs of locks with some clips and a crochet needle. You know what I really love about these crochet locks is the fact that they're made 36 inches long. Like, there is no extending here, sis. Unless you're trying to get a 72-inch installed, then hey. But anyways, so to start off my hair, I just grabbed my honey butter and put that all over, and then I parted the front section of my hair off to braid it down and keep it out of the way until later while I cornrow the back section. I'm going to be doing the front section in individual crochet and the back section in regular crochet braids, and that's what's going to speed up the process and still give the illusion that I have a full install of soft locks. So I ended up with 10 braids in the back, and I decided to do like random triangle parts in the front section. And all the products that I'm using are listed in the description box below if you're interested. Alright, so I ended up finishing the rest of the parts off camera, and this is how they ended up. I really didn't know what to expect with this install because of the fact that these are pretty small sized locks. I wasn't sure if I was gonna have enough, but as you can see in the intro of the video, it is very full install. With this braid pattern, I was able to, hide the knot of where I was tying it on to the braids. So I really like that it wasn't bulky, but the small size had me a little bit nervous. But yeah, anyways, it ended up really nice. So I'm not gonna be doing too much talking. I'll be back. Now, I was trying to be careful not to make the crochet part in the back too full. So I stopped adding it at right at the very top of the braids. And this is what they're looking like so far. For the individual crochet, I latched it on as if I would regular crochet lock, but I didn't have to pull my hair through. That's the good part about this hairstyle. I just used a piece of Marley hair and I folded one end down and began to wrap it around the crochet lock as if I was doing a regular textured lock or a faux lock or something. Yeah, it was very, 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 very simple, y'all. So one thing I can say about the Marley hair, you would want to use a Marley hair that matches the texture of the crochet faux lock. This Marley hair that I use matched perfectly. I'll put the information for it in my description box below. But it's a Marley hair that I found at my local beauty supply store. It was a little bit soft and it was easy to stretch out, so I stretched it a little bit before I added it in. And the way that I was wrapping it was it was like kind of tight but kind of loose at the same time, so that you could still see like ridges and so it didn't look so sleek like a rope. Alright, so I went ahead and finished a little bit more of the individuals off camera, and now I'm on my last two. With the Marley hair, you really only have to wrap it down as far as your natural hair, but I decided to wrap some of them down a little bit further just to make the size a little bit more even, because once you start adding on the Marley hair, it's going to make it a little bit thicker, and with your natural hair on the inside, depending on how thick it is, it's going to make the lock thicker. So I just wrapped it a little bit further down so that it could, blend a little bit better or whatever. Now that I'm done with the individual crochet, I'm going to go ahead and grab my SheIsBombCollection Bomb Goo and lay my edges down, nothing too major. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to grab some cute little accessories. I'm using the gold accessories that came with the locks and some others that I had, just to give the finished touch. And that's it. Less than 2 hours, like barely even an hour and a half install. Soft locks, 36 inches. This is the finished look. I am loving this hairstyle. I am loving these 36 inches of soft locks. And what I'm loving even more is it didn't even take that long to install. Super big shout out to ZRQ here on Amazon. And a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.
Me I beg you, me beg I dem Father, make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too clean. Can't kill me 'cause me heart too clean. Because me heart too clean.